I'm making this video mainly to challenge myself to wear my Pochette Metis 10 different ways because I just haven't been wearing this bag as much as I wanted to ever since purchasing this quite a few years ago. So starting off with a pretty safe outfit option. If you don't have this particular bag but you do have a brown or tan color bag, I think all of these outfits would apply as well. The first outfit I went for 50 shades of brown. Obviously pulling in the darker brown color of the outfit, I paired it with my corduroy mini skirt, which has been so versatile in putting together dressier or more casual outfits. And my sheer top that I wore in my Zara bag video, some of you have asked about this top. I love it so much. It's again another one of those pieces that look really dressy, but you actually feel really comfortable in it. And I love the mesh adding a bit more texture. So you see the corduroy, the knit, the mesh, and then obviously the canvas and leather handle detail. At the bottom, I just paired it with my H&M braided slides that I mentioned in my H&M haul. These shoes are just going to go with this bag and all of your neutral or colorful outfits really well. The next way I'm styling my Pochette Metis or any other brown bag is to go for a lighter neutral outfit. And again, I played with the tones of the neutral colors as well as texture. So I have this really comfortable viscose material, I believe, pants from Mango, and then this satiny cropped top that I got from H&M. You know I love a good balloon sleeve. It's really comfortable to easily wear the bag as a crossbody. I can definitely see this being a really great business casual, wearing to work, or just running errands outfit. I love wearing my Pochette Metis crossbody. At the bottom, I have my sneakers from VUITTON. I just really love the neutral shade of the sneakers. If you have a brown bag, I tend to stay away from a stark white when it comes to shoes, just so it doesn't create too much of a contrast. I really want my outfit to really flow head to toe, and this is a great example of that. A super casual take on styling the Pochette Metis is to pair it with a casual t-shirt and a pair of shorts. I went for patterned shorts because there are kind of brown bits in the pattern of this pair of shorts. I thought it actually pairs really well with the Pochette Metis, and in this sense, because those patterns aren't too loud and they don't compete with each other, I actually really love the pattern on pattern look. And I would pretty much only wear this outfit with the bag crossbody because I just really want to tie all of the casual elements of this outfit together. And at the bottom, wearing the VUITTON sneakers. By the way, in all of these outfits today, I'm just gonna rotate between my VUITTON sneakers and my H&M slides. You don't really need that many pair of shoes when it comes to styling. That's what I realized recently. If you have a few good pair of neutral shoes, you can pretty much complete all of the outfits possible. So I really love this casual take on the Pochette Metis. I'm definitely going to wear this bag a bit more. I do think this bag from the get-go, it could give off a kind of fall winter bag vibe, but there are definitely ways to style it for the spring summer season. A white dress obviously goes with everything, and I do think pairing the Pochette Metis with any sort of white or creamy outfit really makes the bag stand out a bit more. And this is a great vacation outfit. I paired it with these slides so that you can take it from day to night. It's really comfortable. I love the proportion of this bag with a short dress. So the bag isn't too tiny, it's not also too big. Sometimes I struggle with this sort of medium-sized bags, but with the length of the dress not being too long, as you can see, the bag can hit pretty much right above the dress. I just find this a really flattering proportion, especially if you're also petite. Definitely look for a shorter dress to pair with your Pochette Metis. I also love the embroidery anglais detail of this dress. Obviously the puff sleeve. Again, this contrast between a super feminine dress with somewhat of a neutral bag, it just makes your outfit look a bit more interesting. Dressing it up a little bit more, I paired a full leather skirt with my shoulder pad top. I feel extremely comfortable, but you can definitely wear this outfit to a night out, to a nice dinner. It just gives me all of the power woman vibe. And of course, the neutral shade of the skirt matches pretty much perfectly with the tan color of the bag. I love to wear this bag also top handle with the strap dangling. I think it's kind of a carefree way of wearing the bag, and obviously when your hands are full, you can very easily just sling it over your shoulder. This is definitely a great day to night look. I also like to pair or experiment with pairing my warm tone neutrals with cooler tone neutrals. I think it just adds a little bit more dimension to your outfit. So this grayish colored shoulder pad top doesn't stand out too much, but it forms a subtle contrast with all of the other warm tone neutrals of the outfit. I know black is not typically associated with spring, summer, but I do think black brings out just a bit of edginess to an outfit. And this is definitely a, I would say, New York girl outfit with the classic little tank top in the most neutral shade and pair it with a pair of ripped black jeans. I just wore sneakers to just make it even more casual. This is the perfect shopping day outfit, and definitely wearing the bag crossbody to give off a carefree vibe. I also think because my hair color is black, it just naturally ties really well with a black pair of pants. So my outfit is really coherent. You go from black to tan to black and then to tan again. It just visually looks more symmetrical. So depending on your hair color, maybe pick a pair of bottom that's in the same color as your hair and do the rest of your outfit neutral. You might be surprised. Your outfit would just look instantly so much more put together. Another play on black, this time I paired with this crazy pattern pair of pants. However, if you look closely, the pattern on my pants actually really resemble the Louis Vuitton monogram. So this is the trick here. I like to pair similar patterns so that they don't look like they're clashing with each other too much. And the top, I just left it simple with the Zara bodysuit that at this point, probably many of us have. They truly just go with any and all outfits. And at the bottom, I have my H&M slides. You can definitely pair this outfit with high heels, probably with a pointy toe so that your legs can just look so long, and I feel really comfortable in this outfit, really put together. This is a great night out option. If you have seen my how to style brown video, this video is pretty much applying all of the concepts from that video to create these outfits. I had this tree analogy. Basically, I think of brown as the tree trunk. So going up the tree, you will see the leaves, and therefore the color green just naturally pairs really well with brown. And in this case, I actually have this really bright neon green linen dress from H&M. I think they still have it in stock, so obviously I'll leave link to everything down below. But this is an unexpected pairing, but they surprisingly go very well. The dress is super casual and flowy, really long, and this is where wearing a bag crossbody really helps. It basically helps define your waistline so that you don't feel like you're drowned in a really long dress. and I would pretty much only wear this bag crossbody when I pair it with really long dresses. I know the Pochette Metis is mostly seen as a really casual bag, but I'm actually wearing this with pretty much a summer wedding guest dress, and I'm wearing the bag as a clutch, which I don't think many people do it that way, but pairing it with a pretty dressy outfit, you can very easily turn this otherwise casual bag into a cute little clutch that will hold everything you need, but it doesn't look too big that it kind of doesn't go with a dressy outfit. And I love the pink of this dress is a little bit more muted, so as the bag being a neutral color. This is just a very elegant wedding guest outfit that you might not think to pair with the particular bag, but I actually do think it works very well. This is definitely today's wild card. I don't think I ever even paired a purple outfit with a brown bag, but it works really well. I think the trick here is to choose the right shade of purple, because this is kind of a light lilac-y purple, and I also have this little sheer white shirt over, so it gives off a really casual, like LA girl vibe. But pairing it with another casual bag, the vibe of the bag and the outfit just goes really well, and the color isn't too in your face that you can basically treat this as a neutral. And of course, I want to wear it with a neutral sneaker so that I am just fully ready to go on with my day on a hot summer day. This is actually a really great outfit option. Let me know in the comments below which one of the 10 outfits today is your favorite, and I will see you in one of these ones. Bye!